2.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. To my old subscribers, thank you for joining me again like you always do. My new subscribers, thank you so much for also supporting me. And if you are watching this video, kindly like the video, comment, share, and then subscribe. Okay, today's video is going to be a very quick one. It's going to be a product review. I don't want to make this video long. The product we are going to be reviewing is the Fair and White So White. As you can see, I've run out of the oil. Fair and White So White. Fair and White So White oil. If you are dark skin, if you are light skin, caramel, chocolate, whatever color you are, and you want your color to glow, you know this kind of glow I'm talking about, like this glow like here. Sometimes the camera makes my knuckles dark, but thank God I've been able to clear this. It's better, yeah, it's getting better. It's getting better, all thanks to this oil. All thanks to this oil. So if you're trying to glow your skin, if you don't want to bleach your skin but want this yellowish, olive, glowy black skin, yeah, then this video is for you again. This oil is from the Fair and White company, and this product is made in Paris. Okay, let me read what they write on the bottom. The radiance, softness, and beauty of with a brightening, active, and sweet almond oil. Okay, so this oil is even made of almond, and we all know how almond is very good for the skin. This is my first time reading this, and I never knew this oil is made from almond oil. So let's continue. With a brightening, active, and sweet almond oil known for its nourishing properties, deliciously scented brightening oil has been developed to reduce brown spots. See, maybe that's why my dark spots also faded, because I recently started using it for my face. Okay, so let me repeat it again. Deliciously scented brightening oil has been developed to reduce brown spots and even out your skin tone for a skin more harmonious. Oh my God, even this English can make your skin glow. Harmonious. This oil is made from paraffinum liquid. Please, I can't read the ingredients. Just buy this oil and try it. Don't mix it with harsh creams. For me, I use it with Evershin cocoa butter. I have a video on it on my channel. Before I used to add what's the name, Fashion Fair tube to it, but since I decided to stop bleaching, then I'm using only this oil and Evershin cocoa butter. I only use the Fashion Fair for my dark knuckles because it's very good for dark knuckles too. I have a mixture of this Fashion Fair and Evershin cocoa butter. That's just for my hands, not for my body, because I want to even out this the remaining dark knuckles here. I just want to clear it a bit. Okay, sometimes the camera makes the knuckles look so bad, but it's getting better. And so back to the video. This bottle comes in 250 ml, and I have used this oil. I've used this oil for about 8 months. Now everything is done. I have to get a new one. This oil is good. Go and buy it. It won't give you green veins. It won't give you stretch marks. The reason why you get stretch marks and green veins is because once you are using a good oil like this, you are using harsh creams from this Burkina Faso, Togo, and these French creams. Just get a mild toning cream and then add one of this oil and come and thank me later. Come and thank me later. Oh. Come and thank me later. Now you can see how my black is glowing, like, oh god. And sometimes I also use this Nivea for my hands, my dark knuckles. If you don't want to get dark knuckles after using a cream, immediately you finish creaming your body, just wash your hands fast with soap, okay? And then use if you can't get this Nivea, just get Vaseline, the old Vaseline, Blue Seal Vaseline. This Nivea is very, very thick. I mean thick, and is so, look, so good. It moisturizes your hands. So whilst I'm giving you this oil tip, I'm giving you dark knuckles tip, because it's really, really, look at my hands, how my hands are shining, shiny bubble. Just go and grab one and come and thank me later. Tomorrow I have to restock it back. Feel free to watch my other videos, okay? If you have not subscribed yet, this is the time to do so. Thank you for watching. Bye. Mwah.